How to get CapCut Pro for free for 30 days. CapCut Pro Free Trial 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to try CapCut Pro before paying for it, this video is going to show you exactly how to get the free trial in 2026 and how to maximize the time you get. Let's get into it. The honest truth about the 30-day trial, let me give you accurate information first. CapCut does not have a standard 30-day free trial for everyone. The typical free trial is 7 days, with occasional extended access through desktop referrals or limited promotions. There is no guaranteed universal 30-day trial. If you see one, it is usually tied to a special campaign or referral bonus. The standard 7-day free trial here is how to get the official free trial. The most direct option is CapCut's official 7-day Pro free trial. In some countries and regions, new users who have never subscribed to Pro before can activate the trial without linking a credit card. You need to install CapCut version 8.2 or later, and your account must never have had a Pro subscription before. If you see a free trial badge on the subscription page, it means your account is eligible. How to activate it? Open the CapCut app on your phone or go to CapCut.com on desktop. Go to your profile or settings section and look for a Try Pro or Start Free Trial button. You do not need any special codes or hidden links, just follow a few simple steps. Once activated, you can begin using all premium features right away. If asked for payment details, enter them, but you will not be charged until the trial period ends. How to get up to 30 days through referrals. Here is the legitimate way to extend your trial significantly. Each user can invite up to 10 friends to join CapCut and in return receive up to 70 days of free CapCut Pro membership. That is 7 days per successful referral. Share your referral link with friends through the Invite Friends section inside the app and stack up extra free days that way. Desktop users may get longer trials. If you are on a computer, you may be in luck. Some users report a 30-day trial option for desktop, though this may depend on promotions or your region. In the desktop app, navigate to the Invite Friends or Subscription section to check what offer is currently available for your account. Remember to cancel before it ends. This is critical. Whatever trial length you get, make sure you cancel before it expires if you do not want to be charged. Go into your subscription settings as soon as you activate the trial and set a reminder on your phone for 1 day before it ends. Canceling does not cut off your access mid-trial. You keep Pro features until the very last day. And that is how to get CapCut Pro for free in 2026. The standard trial is 7 days. Desktop users may see 30 days depending on region and promotions, and you can stack extra days through the referral program. Always cancel before the trial ends if you do not want to be billed. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.